In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Claude Code CLI with Pycharm and MCP for smarter Python development. First, install Pycharm. Head to the JetBrains Pycharm download page, choose the Community or Professional Edition, install it, and open the app. This will be your IDE where Claude will write and edit files directly, so it's worth letting Pycharm index your project fully for best results. Next, install the Claude Code CLI. On macOS or Linux, open a terminal and run curl fssil https:/claude.com/install.sh bash. On Windows, open PowerShell and run iwr https:/claude.com install.ps1 useb iex. When it finishes, verify the installation by running Claude version. If you see a version number, you're good to go. Optionally, set up your API key to unlock the best experience. Retrieve your Claude API key from your account on the Pro plan and store it as an environment variable. On macOS or Linux, run export Claude API key, your API key, here. On Windows PowerShell, run sex Claude API key, your API key, here. Don't paste your real key anywhere public. Once this is set, the CLI will automatically pick it up. Create or open a project in Pycharm. You can start a new Python project via File, New Project, or open an existing one. Keep files organized in folders. A clean structure helps with multi-file memory and code generation accuracy. For larger projects, you can optionally initialize MCP for multi-file awareness. In a terminal, run Claude MCP init context 7, then load your project with Claude MCP load /path to project. MCP with context 7 lets Claude remember all files across your workspace, which is ideal for full stack or multi-module codebases. Open the terminal inside Pycharm via View, Tool Windows, Terminal. Start a Claude session by typing Claude. From here, you can ask Claude Code to generate, edit, or review code directly in your project. Try a feature prompt like